event has to decide whether.
Is that mine?
But I think having a default thing where they can say whatever they, it'll be a lot faster if you're like, we can give example code, have that default URL, and then they can start getting stuff, and then if they say, hey, give me +1.
We can do that, but it doesn't need to be part of that.
Can you describe that?
Describe what?
All the stuff you wrote while I was gone.
So,
there's a person up here, they're talking to this display, and through whatever Ajax, who knows how we talk to
Web 3, it's Web
3.0, yeah.
Can we not say that? Can we just call it web
Sure.
or HTTP?
.o.
Well, we particularly mean...
Web.o.
Maybe we should say HTML. I don't know.
We're going to call it web.o.
Because we actually want forms and images and things. Anyways, they talk to this multi-protocol web server thing here, which executes an external process to print things. There's not a printing service and so on because printing doesn't fit the model of the rest of them. And it will also hook out, it will dedupe events and format things properly to hook out to a hook dispatcher, which could be running on the same thing or not. Probably running on the same thing, and that one could further hook out to one on the public internet if we wanted to.
Why does our thing do the deduping? Should that be a hook dispatcher thing?
Well, deduping is
so the idea is like printing a badge is different than arriving, and we would like to let people have arrival events. The badge printing is a lower level.
No, but I mean why does deduping have to happen here instead of there?
Because that's what turns pressing submit at the end of that process into arrival. Like if you're coming to get your second badge.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay, right. Okay. Yeah,
so that's what I mean by deduping. Okay. It's not we're not getting rid of 2 attendances. We're just making an attendance out of lots of prints.
Okay. Jeff, you know write the hook dispatcher?
Yeah.
Yeah, dog.
Is it almost done?
No.
What is semantics?
You just post.
What if you're not there?
What do you mean? If I'm not there?
If you're not there, just forget it.
If I'm not there, then you're screwed. You're running me. So.
What?
If this process, if it's not there, then you screwed something up. Because
I know.
It's not running.
Oh, okay.
So that's a mission critical one. So I was going to draw dots. These are OS process boundaries.
Yeah.
And of course, things not even on the same network as you are obviously not the same process.